play GWENT. You can play GWENT. Colin Cunningham. There are lots of fun ways to travel. It's a richer world with more memorable characters. It's a richer world with more memorable characters. There's no broken stealth. The Witcher has steamier romances than Skyrim. Multiple endings are more satisfying. The Witcher is graphically superior to Skyrim.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.